Basketball, you betcha. I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm here to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed each and every day for the game that you love to play. So let's get this workout underway. Hey, I have my young boy that I've been working with get a little bouncy for you on film. So this is an array of dunks that he's been working on. A little windmill, a little 360 action. So just some dunks to show you that we are going to start this jumping workout off right. So we just want to make sure you know that the work works. And I remember when he wanted to dunk back in the day. He just wanted to get on the Vertimax and do some things. But if we don't have a Vertimax, I got what you can do on the low rim. So we're going back to that low rim again, and we're getting some workouts in with that. All right. But first, let's just start with jump roping. Let's warm those legs up. We're going to do some jump roping. We got 5 sets of 100. But in this 100, we're going to do 1 leg jumps, 2 leg jumps, going back to the 1 leg. Make sure you alternate each leg when you're doing your 100 jumps, and then make sure you get at least 3 sets of 2-foot jumping in. And then after that, we're going to warm up with some more agility. We're going to go quick feet. Okay. And then we're going to work our quick feet side to side. We're going to work our quick feet going forward. And then we're going to work some jumping. Before we get to the jumping, we're going to do our hurdle jumps over the cones. And then we're going to do our pogos over the cones. Okay, 1 leg and 2. Then we're going to do our broad jumps. Okay, after we do our broad jumps, that'll be 4 sets of 6. We'll be ready to go. Okay, so now I'm going to take you back to what we were doing the other day. And you are going to go ahead and work the 1 leg takeoff. Okay, so you're going to work the 1 leg takeoff. Your no dribble first. You're going to do that 5 times. Then you are going to dribble 5 times. Same thing going left, no dribble, taking off that right leg, and then dribble, taking off 1 leg. Okay. Then we're going to go off of 2 today. Okay. We're going to dribble up right away. We're going to jump stop, dunk it. Same thing 5 times. Then on the left side, 5 times. Then we're going to go up with 2 hands today. So we're going to dribble up, run up with off 2. With 2, it's much harder. It looks easy because I'm on a low rim, but as it starts to get higher and higher, it gets much harder to dunk with 2 hands. That's why you see so many people do it with 1 to start. But you're going to get up. We're going to do this 6 times, okay, off 2 feet. I want to start leaning in too, but I want you to get the mechanics of just jumping up for a regular dunk first. I think that's going to be important. This is, again, very tiring, so we'll have you just shoot 2 free throws to kind of rest and wind down. And then I'll have you get a drink of water, and then we'll go ahead and get into some more jumping. Okay, so now going into our jumps again, we are going to approach that rim with some force. And we want to make sure we are doing it to where we're elevating as high as we can. And I'm going to have you just go off a drop step, really working, coming out low, and then elevating up. Okay, you got 5 on each side. We're going to alternate though. So you're going to go 1, 2. So you got 10. So like I said, you're going to be extremely tired at the end. Try to jump as high as you can. When you're dunking, you don't have to try to hang on the rim every time. The goal here is to kind of elevate over and kind of throw down. Okay. A lot of times as we start to get better and better at dunking, we want to throw the ball at the back of the rim. Okay. So again, am I trying to teach you how to dunk here? Yes. But also I'm trying to help you increase your vertical, because dunking isn't everything, right? It's 2 points. But I know everybody wants to try to dunk or attempt to here in the future. And the low rim workout is like a secret cheat code to dunking. Okay. Or at least increasing your vertical. I shouldn't say dunking, because then you guys are going to be in the comments telling me I've been jumping on this low rim forever and I still can't dunk on 10 feet. So again, let me clear that up and say that it's a cheat code to help you increase your vertical, because it's just giving you a target to where you're going to keep jumping, keep trying, and you're going to get so many reps in without thinking about it. Now we're going to do our bunny hops. Okay. Our bunny hops to the front of the rim, and then we're going to dunk that. Okay. And then you're going to do backboard touches. This is going to work those calves a little bit more because it's a straight leg jump and you're just tapping, tapping, tapping. We got 10 on each side. We got 2 sets. So tap, 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 tap. And then you're going to go and then tap, 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 tap on the other side. Same thing. Okay. You can finish with a dunk after if you want, or just trying to elevate as high as you can. But I know those legs are going to be tired. Okay. Now the difference from the other day and then today, we're going to work a little drill of rebounding where we're going to throw that ball off the backboard, throw that ball off the backboard, throw that ball off the backboard. Then we're going to elevate and try to dunk. And so that one is very hard. As you can see, it's hard for me to do here. But it's okay. It helps you with rebounding, even if you aren't making that dunk. To try to catch it in the air and dunk it is crazy. And plus, I was doing this workout too, and I'm exhausted. So that's kind of what you're seeing right here. All right. And then we're going to finish up the drill with just approaching the rim and trying to dunk it off one leg with 2 hands. Okay. So we did 2 feet, 2 hands. Now we're going to do 1 leg with 2 hands. Okay. And that's how we're going to end this portion of the jumping workout. And then we're going to send you to the free throw line. Okay. Make 2 free throws again. And then we're going to get into something else real quick as we continue this workout. I'm just going to give you some more jumping to do. So you can get a chair, you can get a box, you just get an object that you can sit on. That's stable, of course. And on this particular one, you want to sit down and then you want to elevate. So it's kind of getting you in that jumping motion where those hips are loaded. And out of that seated motion, you're going to try to elevate as high as you can. Okay. And so that is one exercise that I think is effective because a lot of us, when we think about getting low, the first thing we want to do is bend our back. And we don't want to bend our back when we're trying to jump. We want to sit down in that chair just a little bit to really load those glutes up, right? Get those hamstrings warm and activated and get those quads fired up because that's what's important, right? To get all the bounce that you need. Now, there's so many other factors in jumping, but that's just one of them, right? And so then the next thing I want you to do is, again, make sure this item is stable or a big square block like I have here. And then I want you to step down off of that block and then I want you to elevate up. Okay. So again, you're going to step down off that block, then elevate it up. You're going to switch legs, right? So you're going to lead with that right leg, land, elevate. You can alternate legs or you can keep it the same. All right. All right. Whatever you prefer. That's 3 sets. That's going to be 5 times each leg. And then we got to get a little conditioning in because, of course, you're still playing and those legs are tired. So can we work through fatigue? And we're going to run 2 liners. Okay, to basically end this workout. I appreciate you guys for coming, and I want you to know that we are continuously working on new footage as we proceed to give you what you need. Basketball U, can't thank you enough. I am the Daily Trainer, and I will be back tomorrow to give you some more insight on some more things. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Let me know what's going on. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?